Hello everyone. This is Taher from Apps Analysis and I'm back with another video. Today, we'll take a look at 10 brilliant apps for graphic designers to design on the go. So, without further ado, let's get this video started. On number 1 we have Canva. Canva is one of the greatest applications for graphic designers. The desktop version of the app is also available. Canva is great for unleashing your creativity on the go. Hundreds of free icons, backdrops, text styles, and more are available as you explore the app. On number 2 we have Photoshop Express. Photoshop Express enables you to edit your smartphone content on the go. The app allows you to apply a number of different adjustments to your photos. With its quick, easy, and powerful editing tools you can modify your pictures easily. This app syncs with Photoshop CC, which gives you the flexibility to access your images anywhere via Creative Cloud Sync. On number 3 we have Sketchbook. If you prefer to draw, this is one of the greatest graphic design apps available. To make it suitable for any work, the app provides a variety of pens and tips. You can sketch on a single layer or create numerous layers that will eventually be blended together. On number 4 we have Spark Post. The application comes with a library of modern, professional-looking templates that you can customize to your liking. You can play around with the filters, typefaces, shapes, icons, typography styles, and new color schemes to make flyers, collages, and other promotional materials for your social media accounts. On number 5 we have Behance. Behance is a name that needs no introduction. This is the place of the world's most creative designers which have an app for your preferred mobile platform. The app allows you to create account, share your work, view other creators' work, create mood boards, watch live streams, and so on. On number 6 we have Coolors. Coolors is described as the super fast color palettes generator. The app opens up with a palette of 5 colors, and with one tap, you can change it. You can personalize each color bar according to your preferences. If you've selected a particular color bar or two from a palette, you can lock them and tap for a newer palette to further choose from. The selected palettes can be saved in your devices. Since it has cloud storage, thousands of palettes can be saved which you can access anywhere by logging into your account. On number 7 we have Vinci Eye. This app overlays an image that you want to draw over a real piece of paper using your device's camera. If you look through your phone, while it is above your canvas, it creates a virtual projection that you can trace. This enables you to create realistic-looking artwork with perfect proportions, shading, and colors. On number 8 we have Adobe Capture. This one of the best graphic design apps lets you create creative vectors and color gradients in seconds. You can pick colors from any picture or filter objects into vectors. Moreover, the app also includes brushes if you want to paint on pictures and show your creativity. On number 9 we have Concepts. In a nutshell, this is a pocket whiteboard. It's an infinite canvas for you to write notes, doodle, draw storyboards, plans, make mood boards and share with your friends and clients. On number 10 we have Pixelcut. Removing a background from an image might have seemed daunting to those of us unskilled in the dark art of Photoshop. You can simply swipe your finger across a slider and Pixelcut will accurately erase the background, even tricky ones. Pixelcut uses a tap to refine approach, where you simply tap on the area of the image you'd like to change before being presented with a range of options. You can tap to change the background, canvas, or the image itself. By adding layers, it's also possible to complement your image with text, stickers, objects, or hand-drawn scribbles. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.